Assalamualaikum, my name is Sharon Nabila. I will present about introduction. Associate First Rubber Sendahan Berhad is a Malaysian owned manufacturing company specializing in rubber and plastic components, particularly for automotive industry. Established in 1994, the company has grown from serving domestic clients to exporting rubber-based automotive components to international market. The company specializes in rubber and plastic molded parts, particularly those integrated into automatic assemblies. The company vision is to become a major player in the automotive air conditioning part, accessories and component industry. The company core value include innovation, quality, responsiveness, value and flexibility. The company also emphasizes staff training and skill development to ensure operational efficiency and global competitive. The company leadership structure include technical personnel such as the quality control technician who oversee product quality. For associate First Rubber Ascendian Berhad is a Malaysian company specializing in the rubber and plastic manufacturing industry, focusing on automotive component subsector. The company is a key player in Malaysia gross domestic product and export, converting raw rubber and plastic material into precision molded part for automotive system. It also operates in the chemical and polymer industry, relying on international retrilated synthetic rubber and chemical additive. The company offers custom formulated rubber components that meet technical specification and regulatory requirements in export market. Located in Sri Gombak, Malaysia, the company location along Jalan Perindustrian near major highway, industrial supplier and Kuala Lumpur International Airport as head supplier chain connectivity, distribution speed and cost efficiency. The company also collaborates with government agencies like Metro and MET, offering initiative and market expansion program for export-oriented SME.
Hello, my name is Wanu Ashaina binti Wan Muhammad Asri. I'm a metric number 2212427799. For product and service that associate First Rubber was import and export that have two main categories of raw material, which is chemical additives and nitrile latex. So the company automobile goods like nitrile latex, rubber and so on was re-owned by the company for remarkable resistance to full oil and other chemical. So the company getting a product like latex from a country that have known across the world for having highly developed chemical and rubber industry, which is Thailand and Taiwan. The company get a product from the two countries because the company know the manufacturing of long-lasting rubber component that must withstand harsh circumstance like high temperature, mechanical stress, make extensive use of this latex. So from the country, they will provide industry-grade material that satisfying the existing standard of material and quality needed in the production of automobile. The company also import the chemical additives that are necessary for the formulating and process phases of rubber. The chemical also include softener, plasticizer and colorant and so on that will add to the rubber hardening and elasticization. For customized rubber, physicals and chemical make a business create a part that satisfy certain client demand regarding flexibility, hardness, durability and colors from the rubber. So when it comes for export, associate First Rubber exporting a product line of a vehicle. A company export a product line of consists vehicle component from rubber. The company also supply and manufacture a product of a foreign market And the list of product like vibration damper, rubber seal, protective coating, hoses, and so on. The component crucial for selling fluid lowering vibration, leaking stopper, and shielding internal system for heating, dust, and also a mechanical harm in automobile. For guarantee the quality and function product, the company using a strict quality system control, comply with international standard like ISO and ASTM. From that, it will make a product in it place a high priority of a product, quality and consistency. The company was exporting their product to various countries, which is US, Singapore, Dubai, and Pakistan. The company was choosing the country for a strategic based on trade agreement, stable economic, market demand, and logistic effectiveness. The business frequently engage in international trade, so in order to increase market share worldwide, and it will benefit the company. Export activity also give a benefit to the company from regional trade agreement was ASEAN Free Trade Area AFTA, which is will lower the tariff and streamline cross-border for shipping.
Today, I will discussing the very strategy that Associate First Rubber Sangla Berhad has implemented to expand its business internationally. The first strategy that has contributed significantly to the company's international success is market research and participation in trade fair. So through this, the company not only gain vital insight into global market trends, but also establish direct connection with a potential customer and partner, expanding its visibility and reach in the international market. Another key factor driving the company's international expansion is its strategic use of free trade agreements, particularly the Asian Free Trade Area. These agreements have played a crucial role in reducing tariff and trade barrier, thus enabling the company to maintain competitive pricing and expand its presence in Asian countries like Thailand, Singapore, and Indonesia. As I said first, Rubber strategically export its product to over 6 countries, including the United States, Dubai, and Pakistan, reducing reliance on any single market. This diversification not only helped to stabilize revenue, but also shield the company from the risk posed by fluctuation, demand, and changing market conditions. Currency fluctuation pose a significant challenge to export-oriented business. However, Associate First Rubber effectively manage the risk by employing currency hedging strategies with their banking partner and using letter of credit (LC) to secure payment. This ensures that the company remain financially stable and protected from the unpredictable nature of exchange rate. As I said, First Rubber has also embraced technology to optimize its international operation by implementing ERP system. The company can streamline its supply chain, manage inventory more effectively, and coordinate orders seamlessly. These technological tools enhance decision making and improve efficiency, ensuring timely delivery of product across global market. Building and maintaining strong partnership is another key strategy for international success. As I said, First Rubber prioritize constant communication with its overseas partner and providing them to technical support and training. This commitment help to foster trust, establish long-term collaboration, and leverage local expertise, which are essential for sustained growth in the foreign market. So, in conclusion, this strategy ensures that the company remain competitive and resilient as it expands into new market.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Imran Ismail. My number metric is 21242-658. I will be presenting about the transportation use in its export-import activities by the Associated First Rubber, or mainly known as AFR. Let's take a look for the overview of transportation in trade. critical for connecting producers, suppliers, and customers across the borders. Also impacts the delivery time, cost, supply chain, and efficiency and competitiveness. The company uh, transportation does not only mean a movement of goods, it is a strategic connection between the producers, suppliers, and customers beyond borders. If our uses the main transport modes, such as the sea freight, road transport, air freight, and rail transport, these four primary forms of transport. There's firstly the sea freight, mostly used in the international shipment. Then the road transport comes into the representation, as it is crucial in case of domestic move, particularly between the plant and Port Klang. Next, the air freight is applied by a single occasion in an emergency or a special delivery. And lastly, the rail transport is least utilized since it is not integrated with the port system. Okay, now let's take a closer look for the sea and road transportation for AFR. The sea freight, which is the main mode, is used for exporting rubber products to Singapore, Dubai, Pakistan, and USA. They export large and heavy rubber goods to the country utilizing 20-foot and 40-foot of containers. The containers guarantee safety and efficiency of products. It is also close to the Port Klang, the busiest port in Malaysia, which facilitates transportation and cuts the time that inland transport process takes. On the import aspect, some of the raw materials such as latex nitrile and chemistry additives brought in by AFR at the Asian countries. This is affordable courtesy of Asian free trade. Uh, we have on the other hand, hand road transportation, which is very important in the internal level. It links Gombak factory and Port Klang and handled by 3PL providers, which is the road planning and container handling. Okay, the combination of sea transportation achieves an effective and smooth flow of supply chain of product which are produced to being exported. Also, the company have challenges and adaptations during COVID-19, which is they face shipping delays, container shortage, and rising freight costs. They get improved by logistic coordination. They also build safety stock to reduce disruption, and this shows that the company's adaptability and resilience in global supply chain. Okay, let's move on to the export-import documentation. Firstly, why the export-import documentation matters? This is because it is not just a paperwork. It is the legal and administrative foundation of cross-border trade. This ensures smooth custom clearance, secure payments, and legal compliance. The missing or incorrect documents can result in delays, fines, or legal penalties. As for the functional purposes, firstly, proof on transaction. The proof of transaction documents like commercial invoice, contracts, and packing lists can confirm product details, ownership, and agreed terms. The second, government verification, custom declaration, certifications of origin, and licenses help verify cargo legality, impose duties, and ensure health and safety compliance. Thirdly, facilitates international payments. The financial documents like letters of credit and bills of exchange protect both buyers and sellers, ensuring the secure monetary transaction. Lastly, and the risk management and dispute resolution. The accurate documentation supports insurance claims or legal defenses in case of delays, damage, or disputes. So, a good documentation is not only a good idea, but a must to facilitate good trade operations in a secure manner. Okay, so for the company's document strategy and digital integration, the company's two-pronged approach combines expert human resources and automation. This the works with experienced freight forwarders to meet diverse country with the specific documentation needs. For example, the United States, United Arab Emirates, and Pakistan. The company prepares documents like certificates of compliance, product safety sheets, and dangerous goods declaration if it is required. Okay, the uses of ERP and digital platforms. The company uses ERP and supply chain execution management system to automate document generation and track orders. The company supports real-time data sharing across procurement, logistic, and QC department. This aligns with Asian single window and global shift toward the paperless trade. And lastly, the company's staff training and capacity building. The company regularly training and ensures staff are up to date with international trade regulations and digital systems. This builds internal resilience and reduce dependency on external consultants. This helps the company to avoid fines and non-compliance, especially when regulations change suddenly.
Data and insights from the interview. Firstly, global demand. For company rubber-based products drive the company to export. The company aim to diversify markets and reduce reliance on any single economy. Support from Atrade and MIDA plus trade agreement like AFTA and RCEP significantly influence the company strategies. The sales and quality control teams work together to promote and maintain quality across borders. The company faced serious challenges, including complex and varying custom regulation, currency fluctuation, and logistic disruption, particularly post-COVID-19. Fierce competition from low-cost producers and maintaining international quality standards also adds pressure. Documentation errors and compliance issues can delay shipments and affect reputation. To overcome this, the company worked with expert freight agents and used digital systems for accurate paperwork. Currency risks are managed via hedging and LCs. The company maintained strong relationship with logistics providers and distributors. Investment in ERP, SEM, and staff training ensure efficient, compliant, and customer-focused export-import operation.